Jeff, do you know what the #1 rule in real estate is?
I do. Never live within 5 miles of your mother-in-law.
No, that's not it. Try again.
Don't live next door to a nudist that likes to be outside and do yoga.
Although important, still not the right answer.
Okay, I give up then.
All right. The #1 is location, location, location.
We've absolutely got that one covered today. Yes. This is, I'm going to give it 4 locations. Location, 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 location. We are in Nexton here. And if you're not familiar with Nexton, there's several parts of Nexton, and this is the one you want to be in the most. It's by all the cool stuff.
It's closest to everything. It's Brighton Park, and this community is fully developed out.
Yeah.
So you won't have new construction rolling through and dump trucks and all of that. You've got a beautiful park right in front of the townhome here.
Yeah, as you're sitting on the front porch here looking out in front of this green space and the big pine trees across the way, it's absolutely gorgeous. And there's another park with the playground, what, 50 yards
about
behind
50.
the house?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Super
gorgeous.
nice.
This is a quadplex. This is 1 unit. There's 2 on the sides and then 2 in the middle looking out over this park. It's a 2-bedroom townhome, and one really cool thing about this is both the bedrooms upstairs have an ensuite bathroom. So it's actually a 2.5 bath, 2-bedroom home.
Yeah, so the half bath is downstairs. Plenty of room downstairs for all your furniture. Beautiful countertops and counter. The back porch is really nice as well.
Yep.
You got 2 separate parking spaces out back as well.
Yeah, and there's parking all around this front road here, so there's spots on the road. This is a great neighborhood. Let's show it to you. So gorgeous house, move-in ready, just a few years old. This location is phenomenal. Biking paths, walking trails from here to grocery stores and restaurants, and you could be, if you're a bike rider, you'd be down in having lunch at Hall's in Nexton in 5 minutes, 10 minutes probably.
Absolutely, and not to mention there's a brand new downtown Nexton that's being built up right now. Couple of retail locations in there. Rita's custard and ice cream is in there. You have the Wakey Bakey Bagel, so one of the first bagel shops. You've got some more coming, but actually today the Publix opens.
Oh, is it today?
In Nexton, yeah.
That's been coming forever.
Been a long time.
The Harris Teeter that's right here, they've got a bar in there. You can go in, get you a glass of wine, do your shopping, and it's not just like a little cubicle. Like it's a bar in the middle of the grocery store. Raging Alcoholics voted their #1 grocery store in all of Charleston.
It is their flagship store for sure. They wanted to try something different, and so far it's going over great. Never mind the new restaurants over there. You got a new Dunkin' Donuts that you could ride your bike to and pick up a coffee. Rotolos.
How would you do that with the coffee? And do they
have little cup holders on the bikes. Yeah. Not the like serious bikes,
right.
The gliders and things like that. They got them for sure.
The amenities in this neighborhood aren't just in one place; they're all over. So you've got amenities here in Brighton Park, which has got a gorgeous pool, one of the dog parks in any of the neighborhoods that we've ever been in. And then in Midtown, you've got a gym, you've got like a clubhouse, a big resort-style pool. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Pickleball, tennis.
There's a reason Nexton was voted #1 community in the entire country a few years back.
Yeah. And if your kids play ball or something like that, you've got the park here right behind us. You can sit on your front porch and watch them throw the ball back and forth.
And speaking of kids, there's schools that are right here in Nexton. So you're not the elementary and the middle school. The new middle school is coming right now in the front of this neighborhood.
Yeah, I think 26 is that supposed to come up. And
so really one of our favorite neighborhoods in all of Charleston, and I think you can see why. This house is awesome. Mark, if they want more information, what do they do?
Yeah, down in the description there'll be a link to all the photos, the drone, the virtual walkthroughs, all of that will be down in the link, and contact us if you need more information.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.